Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 9th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Motorcar Parts of America. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Motorcar Parts of America has just released their fiscal 2025 fourth quarter and full year results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record sales to strategic initiatives in the automotive aftermarket sector.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Motorcar Parts of America reported net sales of $757.4 million for fiscal year 2025, marking a 5.5% increase from the previous year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's impressive, especially considering the challenges in the automotive aftermarket. The company not only achieved record sales, but also saw a significant increase in gross profit, which rose by 16.1% to $153.8 million. This indicates strong operational efficiencies and effective cost management.
Despite these gains, the company reported a net loss of $19.5 million for the year. Can you explain the factors behind this?
The net loss was primarily due to non-cash expenses and one-time cash expenses, including tariffs and supply chain disruptions. However, it's worth noting that the loss narrowed significantly from the previous year's $49.2 million, showing a positive trend.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Motorcar Parts of America generated $45.5 million in cash from operating activities and reduced net bank debt by $32.6 million. How does this position them for the future?
This strong cash flow and debt reduction enhanced their financial flexibility, allowing them to invest in growth opportunities and shareholder value initiatives like share repurchases. Looking ahead, the company has provided a positive sales guidance for fiscal 2026, expecting between $780 million and $800 million in net sales.
What are the key drivers for this optimistic outlook?
The company is leveraging its leadership in the non-discretionary automotive aftermarket and reducing reliance on Chinese suppliers, which should mitigate geopolitical risks and support growth.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Motorcar Parts of America repurchased over 542,000 shares for $4.8 million. How does this reflect on their strategic initiatives?
The share repurchase program is a clear indication of the company's confidence in its future prospects and commitment to enhancing shareholder value. Additionally, their strategic move to reduce reliance on Chinese suppliers to less than 25% is a proactive step to strengthen their supply chain resilience.
With an expected operating income of $86 million to $91 million for fiscal 2026, what should investors keep an eye on?
Investors should watch how the company navigates tariff impacts and continues to optimize its operations. Their focus on North American manufacturing could be a significant advantage in the current geopolitical climate.
Key takeaways. In summary, Motorcar Parts of America has delivered a strong performance with record sales and gross profit, significant cash flow improvement, and a positive outlook for fiscal 2026. John, any final thoughts?
It's a solid performance overall. The company's strategic initiatives and financial discipline position it well for future growth. Investors should feel optimistic about their prospects.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Motorcar Parts of America's performance in the comments below.